Now we're going to go ahead and do a double inside cut. With a double inside cut, what you want to do is you want to get the greatest arc first and then work your way to the smallest arc. So in this case, the greatest arc is located on the outside edge here, or closest to the edge here. So again, we're going to go ahead and do it in sections, worrying about the two tips that could break. Wiggle. Wiggle. Just a little here. Okay. Remember, even little bits of glass can get in your way, so make sure you keep a clean work area. All right, I'm gonna go from this side. Finally, the last end. Okay. And that's good enough to grind on the grinders. And we'll go ahead and sweep off our glass. Okay. Now what I can do is I can go ahead and cut this in half to save as much glass as I can, just in case I mess up and need my other half of glass. So I'm going to try to cut these as close to those tips as possible. And when I break with my hands, as long as my thumbs and my forefingers are on the right next to the score lines, I won't worry about scoring and chopping into my flesh with razor sharp glass. All right, now the other inside cut I want to do, because it is the flimsiest, but I think this is so thin I can get this in one score. And that's what I'm going to try to do right now. Again, I want to use the flat side, which is the breaking side, that goes up, wiggle, got it. All right. Now the straight cuts are pretty easy. Glass wants to cut or break straight, so these should be fairly simple. Scoring right on that score line, or that Sharpie edge. Got glass there. So if the glass were to get underneath and I were to push down with my score, chances of breaking my glass go up dramatically. And there's your double score.